Is that true?
Objection, Your Honor, leading.
All right.
Camille totally obliterated Amber during cross-examination, and she stood her ground when Amber tried to gaslight the jury.
Next question.
Well, the metadata next to it is so that
Ms.
to
Heard,
avoid this
Ms.
sort of
Heard,
confusion.
there is no question pending, and I would appreciate it if you wouldn't be making argument to the jury.
Sorry, I
It's
thought you had
inappropriate.
asked me about it.
No, I didn't ask you about anything. Let's look at your direct testimony from the third day.
Camille also directly called out Amber on all her lies, brilliantly pointing out all the inconsistencies in her testimony.
He whacked you so hard in the face that you thought you had broken your nose.
Exactly.
Your nose doesn't appear to be injured in any of these pictures, does it, Ms. Heard?
I'm wearing makeup.
Your nose doesn't appear to be injured in any of these pictures, does it, Ms. Heard?
That's why I'm wearing makeup.
Right. And makeup covers up swelling, right?
Makeup will not cover up swelling. Ice will, though.
Ice will cover up swelling?
Ice reduces swelling. Normally the swelling after that kind of injury is not as bad as you might imagine, and for me, it wasn't that bad. I have a picture of it underneath the makeup. That's how I know how to reference it.
A picture you haven't produced or shown to
did.
this jury, right, Ms. Heard?
I produced everything.
But you haven't shown it to this jury.
I would very much like to. It's not my job.
And after the jury sided with Johnny and awarded him $10.35 million in damages, many fans and Camille's colleagues agreed that Camille played a crucial part in Johnny's victory. Jesse Weber, an attorney and host on the Law and Crime Network who covered the defamation trial from the Fairfax County Courthouse, said Camille was impressive and delivered a very tight cross. An entertainment attorney in Beverly Hills was also impressed by Camille and said Camille had excellent control over Amber as a witness, keeping her on track with Depp's narrative, controlling her answers to keep her from veering off into areas outside of the story Vasquez wanted her to tell. After Camille was promoted to partner at her law firm, Brown Rudnick, one fan said, "Congratulations, Camille, you deserve this fully. I am 100% sure that if it wasn't for you and your great performance in the court, Johnny wouldn't have had 0.5% chances of winning." And another Twitter user wrote, "Camille Vasquez is a rock star. This trial is going to be taught in law school for decades, and her courtroom abilities will be celebrated for the rest of her life." As for her newfound fame, Camille said she was grateful for the opportunity to inspire girls to pursue a career in law, but she also claimed that all the attention she received was overwhelming and surreal.
It's been overwhelming and surreal, but to the extent that I can encourage young women to stay in school and maybe inspire them to pursue a legal career, then it's all worth it.
But it looks like Camille is no longer bothered by the media attention, because she was recently spotted at Johnny and Jeff Beck's concert in Prague, Czech Republic, together with two other members of Johnny's legal team, Jessica Myers and Seth Moniz. A video of Camille and Johnny in Prague quickly went viral, and Camille is now once again trending on social media. However, if you thought this means Camille and Johnny have taken their friendship to the next level, we have to disappoint you, because the blonde guy in the video giving Johnny a hug is Camille's long-term boyfriend. Although we now know for sure there's nothing romantic going on between Johnny and Camille, it's obvious that Camille and her boyfriend have become part of Johnny's inner circle. And fans are saying Amber must be screaming right now seeing Camille in the spotlight with Johnny. One fan tweeted, "Camille Vasquez went to see Johnny Depp and Jeff Beck perform last night, and my heart can't take it. I love their friendship so much." Another fan wrote, "I don't guess we'll see any photos of Amber Heard attending any barbecues on Elaine's deck. A pool party at Rottenborn's house? No? Oh, what a shame. Oh well, not everyone likes their client." One fan commented, "I love that Camille has become a superstar and role model, simply for doing her job well and being a nice person. That must feel worse to Amber than losing $10.3 million. I bet this is pissing off Amber," another fan said. "She'll try to find yet another way to sue him because Johnny's attorneys are too close to him." And after Amber's BFF, Eve Barlow, tried to throw shade at Camille for traveling to see Johnny in Europe, fans quickly shut her down. Barlow tweeted, "Given that Mr. Depp settled out of court this month in his case versus Rocky Brooks, and thus couldn't be found guilty of assaulting another man on a movie set, his lawyer Camille is now free to travel and stand side of the stage at his European concerts. Justice for Johnny Depp, etc." However, fans were quick to check Barlow for being bitter, and one Twitter user replied, "Yes, Camille is there, Eve, in Europe, courtesy of Johnny Depp. Your friend Amber will never, ever again get the perks of being in Johnny Depp's orbit. No more high life. Keep on rocking, Eve. But there's even more to where that came from, so make sure you check out this next video.